This is Jenkins Studios, and today we're building our first game in our Arcade Essentials series. This tutorial series is designed to teach those who are interested in building their own video games. This tutorial series will cover every line of code, so no coding experience is required. The only assumptions are A, you have Unity installed, and B, you have a basic understanding of the Unity environment. There are 6 videos in this first installment, each ranging from about 8 minutes to 15 minutes. We encourage you to build the game along with us, but all of the code and finished project file is available for download for free on my GitHub account at JaboyNate, and there's a link for that in the description below.